Use center for the exact dot in the very middle. Use middle for the general space between two sides. Question 1. The teacher stood in the blank of the classroom. A classroom is big. The teacher is standing not left, not right, but in the general space. So that's the middle. Question 2. The bullseye is in the blank of the target. A bullseye is one exact dot, and one exact dot is always the center. Question 3. There's a fountain in the blank of the park. A park is big. The fountain is around the center area, not a mass dot. So we say the middle. Question 4. My house is in the blank of the two big stores. If your house is right between two stores, that's an exact spot, right? So the answer is the center. Again, use center for an exact dot and use middle for the space around it. Now it's your turn. Do 7 more extra questions on your own. Find the answers in the comment section or near the end of the video. And hey, again, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard on these lessons, so please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.